Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is PERMAYCELLA BERTHA ANANTA from SMA 2 Mojokerto, grade 12 Science 6 number 24. In this video, I will show my practice English exam about how to make soto ayam. Before go to the video, I will give you some information about soto ayam. Soto is a typical Indonesian food such as soup, which is made from meat and vegetable broth. The most commonly used meats are beef and chicken. Various regions in Indonesia have their own regional soup with different distinctive composition. The way of serving soto varies according to the peculiarity of each region. Soto is usually served with rice, lontong, ketupat, or rice noodles. Let's look at the material tools and the steps.
Chicken breast, chicken feet, salt, oil, ginger, turmeric, lemongrass, and lime leaf, garlic, onions, candle nuts, turmeric, ginger, salt, and pepper. Rice noodles, fried onions, chive and celery, sprouts, lime, and boiled egg. Ladle, pan, frying pan, blender, and knife. The first steps in the braised chicken stew: put in 2 cm turmeric, 1 cm ginger, 2 pieces lime leaf, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Second, when the chicken breast is cooked, drain and fry until brown. Third, shred chicken, then set aside. 4. Pure the soto ingredients: garlic, candle nuts, onions, turmeric, ginger, salt, and pepper. Then add a little water to make it easy in the blender. Fifth, put the soto seasoning into a frying pan with 3 tablespoons oil, 1 lemongrass, and 2 lime leaves. 6. Saute until cooked and fragrant. Then, put in soto seasoning into the chicken feet pan when the chicken feet are soft. After that, wait until cooked. Finally, serve in bowl with complement.
that's the video of my English practice exam. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum.